Hey guys, welcome to Motocross Sports Science 3-minute shorts. Today we're going to go over neuromuscular fatigue in motocross. Does it relate to crashes? What is neuromuscular fatigue? Well, simply speaking, it's fatigue that results in slowing down of the muscle's ability to be able to contract and reduces the intensity at which the muscle can contract. And it typically follows repeated high intensity efforts. Sounds a lot like motocross. So a couple key points, how is it measured and how long does it last? Well, Comey 2000 showed that a jump test could be an effective method for assessing neuromuscular fatigue because the way that it taxes the body, it's especially relevant in disturbances to the stretch shortening cycle. So that's the primary thing that's occurring in order to help you jump. So Cormack, Newton, and McGuigan in 2008 showed that neuromuscular fatigue could be detected after an Australian rules football game. And if you don't know what that is, go look it up. It's brutal. They found that fatigue could last anywhere from 24 to 96 hours after a game. So that's a pretty long time to be able to actually recover from that type of fatigue. And the kicker is it's very hard to recover. Very few things in science really show that it can help improve recovery of neuromuscular fatigue. So why does that fatigue matter to motocross? How does it impact racing? Well, if we look at the Washougal whoop section, it's 185 feet. At a point in time when I was reviewing video, there was 22 whoops, so that means about 8.4 feet on average between peaks. Top pros were clearing it at 6 seconds. That means 0.42 seconds between each peak, between the time that the tire crested each peak. So Cormac's study showed an average of 7.4% decrease in muscle timing of the action when neuromuscular fatigue was present. So what does this result in? That's 3/100ths of a second between each whoop that you're going to lose and nearly half a second per lap. Now, if you're fatigued enough that you're losing half a second per lap in the whoop section, what do you think is the likelihood that you're going to end up dropping that front end and getting in between one of those whoops and going head first into the next set?